As you age, the last thing you want to find yourself saying is, "Oh, my back is in pain." A weak back can be debilitating at any stage of life, significantly hampering your independence. But worry not, as we've got you covered with 5 daily habits to safeguard your back against the trials of time. Number 13. Improve sitting posture. Perhaps you believe that good posture only serves to create a positive impression. On the contrary, Dr. Bohl clarifies that posture plays a vital role in your back's well-being. Therefore, it's crucial to frequently monitor and adjust your posture, especially if you have a desk job. Your spine has its own natural curvatures that act as shock absorbers, but poor posture can lead to compression in certain areas of your spine, increasing stress on the muscles connected to it, ultimately causing discomfort. You can take several steps to improve your posture, like investing in an ergonomic desk chair to facilitate proper sitting. Additionally, consider using aids like a brace or a vibrating device that alerts you when you begin to slouch. Number 12. Strengthen your core. The benefits of regular exercise are well established. A consistent strength training routine focusing on your core muscles can reduce your vulnerability to back-related issues, such as strains and muscle spasms. Incorporate exercises that target your back and abdomen into your workout regimen at least twice a week to cultivate a stronger and more flexible back. Number 11. Boost calcium and vitamin D intake. Strong bones are instrumental in preventing osteoporosis, a common source of back pain, especially for women as they age. Fortify the bones in your spine by ensuring an ample supply of calcium and vitamin D. Calcium can be found in sources like milk, yogurt, leafy greens, and vitamin supplements, while vitamin D is present in fatty fish, egg yolks, beef liver, and cheese. Always consult your physician before taking any supplements. Number 10. Choose supportive footwear. Opt for comfortable, low-heeled shoes to mitigate the risk of back pain, as they reduce the strain on your back when standing. Footwear with heels less than 1 inch is the most favorable choice for the health of your back. Number 9. Maintain good posture. Superior posture isn't just a matter of appearances, it safeguards the intricate components of your spine, ensuring they remain healthy and function correctly. Poor posture places undue strain and stress on your back and can alter the structure of your spine. Avoid habits like rounding your shoulders, slouching, or bending sideways while standing. Number 8. Manage stress. Stress exerts a significant, often underestimated impact on your physical and mental well-being, according to Dr. Berkowitz. He suggests dedicating 10 to 30 minutes daily to activities such as meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques to calm your mind and reduce stress. These practices aid in lowering blood pressure and decreasing cortisol, the stress hormone. Even enjoyable activities like laughter and spending time with friends have been shown to enhance overall health. Number 7. Maintain good posture while seated. When sitting in an office chair, employ the same principles of good posture that you apply when standing. It's crucial to maintain proper posture and support your back while seated, particularly if you spend extended hours sitting. Choose a high-quality chair that offers solid lower back support and ensures your knees are slightly elevated compared to your hips when sitting. Number 6. Prioritize sleep. A crucial but often underestimated aspect of overall health, sleep plays a vital role in your body's restoration and detoxification. While some may pride themselves on functioning with limited sleep, scientific evidence increasingly points to the necessity of 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night for most individuals. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 5. Stay active. Whether you're at a social gathering or a bar for happy hour, avoid prolonged periods of awkward positioning or remaining stationary in one place. Move around to prevent exerting undue pressure on your spine, a situation that can arise from prolonged standing. Number 4. Quit smoking. Smoking is a well-documented health hazard, with smokers facing a higher likelihood of experiencing back pain compared to non-smokers. Nicotine, in particular, restricts blood flow to the spinal discs, potentially leading to their dehydration, rupture, or damage. Smoking also reduces oxygen levels in the blood, diminishing the nourishment to back muscles and tendons, rendering a weak back more susceptible to strains and discomfort. Number 3. Lighten your load. Improper or heavy lifting is a common contributor to back pain, which is not exclusive to those engaged in heavy labor. Carrying a heavy laptop bag, suitcase, camera, or groceries can strain your back. Whenever possible, reduce the load on your shoulders by carrying less, distributing the weight evenly, or shifting it from one side to the other. Utilizing a rolling cart or wheeled bag for heavier loads, like grocery bags or file boxes, is another practical option. Number 2. Incorporate stretching. Sustained periods of standing, sitting, or lying down can adversely affect your back. Relieve accumulated stress by getting up, moving around, and engaging in simple stretches whenever possible. These actions improve circulation to your back and alleviate strains or discomfort resulting from inactivity. Number 1. Minimize exposure to toxins. The modern world contains more chemical toxins than ever, impacting overall health. Chemicals find their way into our lawns, food, and even our mattresses. While complete avoidance of toxins is impossible due to their ubiquity, we should strive to reduce our exposure. One approach is to consume food free from chemical pesticides. Thanks for tuning in to this exciting video. I hope you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Remember, the adventure doesn't end here. Dive into our playlist, explore our other videos, and join our community by hitting the subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, stay awesome, my friends. See you in the next video.